Right, you know the drill. This is level 1.4, derived grade external from 2025. I'm going over it so that you know what's going on. We have made it all the way to question 1A. The highest possible mark that you can get on this is an achieved. So if you got the U next to your paper here, you got it right. How do we do this? We can see that Kotsiro buys a cell phone for 399 euro from Europe. The exchange rate for the NZ dollar to euro is $1 to 53 euro cents. Kotsiro must also pay 15% in GST on this purchase price. What is the total cost for purchase of the cell phone in New Zealand dollars, right? So we're trying to find out New Zealand dollars. Oh no! Oh, you got to see behind the scenes. Okay. So we want to know. First thing I'm looking at is this exchange rate. I can see that 1 New Zealand dollar equals 53 euro cents. So I'm going to put that over here. I can see that $1 is equal to 53, oops, that's ugly, 0.53 euro cents. Okay, so what does that mean for us? Well, I can look and I could go $2 is the same as, oh, what's that times 2? 1.06. And 3 New Zealand dollars is the same as 1.59 euro cents. And then I could go through and I could do that until I got all the way up to a point where I had 399 euro dollars. But that's awful and boring. And we're mathematicians, so we're lazy. So we're trying to find a trick. We can see if we go from here, if we go from New Zealand dollars to euros, we do times 0.53. Yeah? If we go from New Zealand dollars to euros, we can see that we multiply by 0.53. So obviously, if we go backwards, if we go from euros to New Zealand dollars, we have to do the opposite. Divide by 0.53. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So for my answer here, I'm going to go 399 euro divided by 0.53 is equal to, and then I'm going to pull out my handy dandy calculator because calculators are not cheating. I'm going to go 399 divided by 0.53 is equal to, and I'm going to get 752.83. I'm just going to cut it off right there. 752.83. So I will put that in here. 752.83. And I'm going to put my 2 decimal places right there, just to make sure that the examiner knows what I've done. Great. But we're not done. We still need to pay the 15% GST on this price. So there's a few ways you could do it. The way that I'm going to choose to do it is I am going to take this value right here, $752.83, and I'm going to multiply that by 1 whole. So if I just multiplied it by 1, I would get the exact same number. But I don't want it to come out to the same number. I want it to come out with that plus 15%. So I'm multiplying 752.83 times 1.15. And if I pull out my handy dandy calculator here, I'm going to clear that, and I'm going to go 752.83 times 1.15, and I am going to get $865.75. 865.75. 865.75. 2 decimal places, dollars. And that I can highlight as my answer. Yep, all done. Click on the next video if you want to see how that works. Thanks so much.